The tool manufacturer Ryobi is revolutionizing both DIY enthusiasts and professional markets everywhere. With innovative engineering and modern aesthetics, Ryobi delivers comprehensive solutions to ensure your upcoming projects achieve excellence. Today's presentation will showcase the 10 most impressive Ryobi power tools that deserve your attention. No time to explain. You're frustrated with your corded sander that is difficult to maneuver, and you're tired of being tethered to a power outlet. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi made this R18 PSOS0 corner sander that provides corded-like performance with the freedom of cordless. Its compact design allows you to sand into tight spaces, while the triangular pad shape lets you sand right up to the edge. Not just that, it comes with a quick-fit hook and loop sanding sheet attachment, so changing accessories will be a breeze. While operating for long periods of time, the sander's grippy surface causes no fatigue or palm strain. Say goodbye to the hassle of corner sanding and hello to the convenience of the Ryobi R18 PSOS0 corner sander. Nailing is one of the most crucial elements of woodworking that needs the perfect tool to be done. That's why Ryobi designed this super handy framing nailer, which offers the convenience of AirStrike technology and eliminates noisy compressors, bulky hoses, and expensive gas cartridges. This nailer provides instant driving speed and has the ability to drive up to 750 nails per charge. Plus, it can sink up to 3.5-inch full round head nails, ensuring the versatility needed for a wide range of framing applications. Oh, there's also a selectable drive switch that lets you choose between single, sequential, and contact actuation modes, while the tool-free depth of drive adjustment allows driving nails to flush every time, even in dense materials. The Ryobi Gallon Electrostatic Sprayer is reliable and effective to make all large spraying tasks much more efficient and effective. This tool is ideal for use with disinfectants, cleaning solutions, and most lawn and garden chemicals. It utilizes best-in-class electrostatic charging technology to positively charge particles in the solution being sprayed, allowing for quicker and better coverage of surfaces. This sprayer can spray up to 30 gallons per charge, making it perfect for larger jobs. The best part of this toolkit is the comfortable backpack design, which allows for comfortable one-handed operation, and the holster makes it suitable for a wide range of users. The 3-in-1 adjustable nozzle selector is another standout feature of this sprayer, allowing you to choose from 3 spray patterns for a variety of spraying applications. While waiting for a relaxing weekend spent outdoors, you notice the patio and outdoor furniture are covered with dirt and grime after months of neglect. That's where the Ryobi R18 XPWS10 Power Washer comes into play. This tool comes in a drill-type design that feels comfortable to use, and it has a brushless motor that provides 600 psi of pressure to blast away dirt, light debris, and other messes from any indoor or outdoor surface. You quickly grab your power washer and connect it to the included 6-meter siphon hose, and also connect it to a bottle. It also features a 3-in-1 nozzle that lets you easily switch between turbo, 15-degree, and rinse modes. As you begin to spray, you're amazed at how quickly and easily the dirt and grime wash away, revealing the beauty of your patio and furniture underneath. Don't let dead batteries ruin your projects. Take the Ryobi 150-watt power source with you wherever you go, and keep your devices charged and ready to tackle every task there. With its continuous 150-watt output, this portable powerhouse is the perfect solution for keeping all of your essential electronics charged, like cell phone, laptop, tablet, fan, or other small devices. This power source comes with one 120-volt outlet, 2 fast-charging USB-A outlets, and 1 fast-charging USB-C outlet, meaning you can charge all your compatible devices quickly up to 30 watts. But that's not all. It also comes with a USB fast-charging wall adapter and USB charging cable, giving you even more options for charging your batteries. Want to keep your lawn looking neat and tidy? Look no further than the Ryobi R18 XLTR23 line trimmer. With its adjustable cutting path of 28 by 33 centimeters, you can easily control the width of your trimming and maximize your battery runtime. Thanks to the speed selector and variable speed trigger, this trimmer gives you precise control and makes it easy to get those perfect lines around your lawn edges. Plus, the auto feed head is spooled with a 2.0mm trimming line, providing excellent cutting performance and making it simple to reload. Whether you're a seasoned lawn care pro or just starting out, the Ryobi R18 XLTR23 line trimmer is the perfect tool for keeping your lawn looking its best. No matter if you're a passionate gardener or just love spending time outdoors in your garden, this Ryobi cultivator will surely impress you with its enjoyable features. This tool promises to make your garden preparation quick and easy. The cultivator is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver around your garden beds. On top of that, you can adjust the tines at up to 8-inch tilling width and get all soil tilling done effortlessly. It effectively churns through the soil, loosens it up, and prepares it for planting. What's more, this Ryobi cultivator has 3 different modes of operation: low, medium, and high, giving you the versatility to adjust the speed of the tines to suit your specific cultivation needs. Imagine you're camping deep in the woods, surrounded by nature's beauty, but suddenly the power goes out, leaving you in complete darkness. That's where the Ryobi RPH361-800 Power Hub comes to your rescue. This powerful and portable power station inverter can provide electricity for all your essential 240-volt electrical devices and sensitive electronics, ensuring you never have to go without power when you need it the most. With multiple USB outlets, including 2 USB-C and 4 USB-A ports, you can charge all your devices that require USB charging. Plus, this power station converts 36-volt to 240-volt using Ryobi 36-volt batteries, allowing you to power up devices rated up to 1,600 watts in total. Tired of spending countless hours pruning your garden and yard with old, outdated tools? You'll have a tidy look in no time with the Ryobi pruning shear. The sleek, powerful, and cordless tool will surely revolutionize your pruning game. Equipped with a top-of-the-line brushless motor, this bad boy can cut 1.5 times faster than the competition. And let's not forget about those bypass blades. They make clean, complete cuts up to 1 inch in diameter, ideal for light pruning and limbing. Hold on, there's more. The Ryobi pruning shear also features an onboard LED work light, perfect for those early morning or late night pruning sessions. Meanwhile, the soft grip handle will keep your hands feeling as smooth as the cutting action. The Ryobi pivoting screwdriver is a versatile power tool designed for increased accessibility and convenience during various applications. First and foremost, it packs a unique mechanism with its pivoting head, which lets you navigate even the trickiest of corners and angles like a true pirate. Plus, it features onboard bit storage that will ensure you never lose your bits again. But wait, there's more. The dual LED work light will light up your work area like a treasure chest, making it easy to see what you're doing even in extremely low light areas. The best thing about this tiny guy is it's part of the USB lithium system, so you can charge it up and take it with you wherever you go, just like a trusty sidekick. Okay, that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.